In this video, I'll explain how to encode a carriage return in a Data Matrix barcode using the IDAutomation Barcode Generator for Excel. The product creates a barcode as an image within a cell using VBA. It is an easy-to-use solution compatible with Windows and Mac and doesn't require barcode fonts. Select the Developer tab, Visual Basic, select File, Import File. Import the VBA required to produce the barcode. In this case, I'll select the Data Matrix file. The file is included in the Modules folder. Select File, Close, and Return to Excel. To encode a carriage return, I'll need to do two things: obtain an ASCII value for the carriage return and enable a parameter to recognize it as a function. Use the ASCII chart to obtain the appropriate value for the carriage return. The carriage return is 13. In cell A2, enter ~D013 to encode a carriage return. In cell B2, enter the IDAutomation Excel formula. Reference the data cell. In my example, it is A2. Set the second parameter to 1 to generate the barcode as a bitmap. Set the third parameter to 1 to enable apply tilde. Hit Return to generate the barcode. I'll use the IDAutomation Barcode Data Decoder to scan the data matrix. The scanned result includes the carriage return in the output. Here's the barcode scanned directly in Excel. Here's the barcode scanned in Notepad. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions about the video, leave us a comment. Thank you for watching.